Steve-O.
Yeah.
What are you doing out here?
We are putting on reds. This is red.
This is red.
You
Our
can-
new Kawasaki
Mule.
Mule
Yep.
4-seater.
Yep, 410 Trans.
Okay.
4x4. There you
Okay.
go. The whole enchilada.
All the words.
Yeah, all the words. Yes, got to get them all in. So we went with the soft top because stepping up to the hard top with the 4-seater, prohibitively expensive.
Okay.
And we do not off-road. I mean, we go off-road, but we don't use this recreationally at all. Just to keep the sun and a bit of the rain off.
And some of the branches?
And some of the branches. So what we're doing here is we're cleaning up the roll bar. And then you got this 3M sticky stuff. It'll go down there. And then this attaches by Velcro on the 6 posts. And then the reason I got this one, if you come under here, it had these crossbars. Right there and right there. So as we pull it taut, there'll be a little bit of support.
Those crossbars came with the Kawasaki or
No,
came with the top?
Came
Oh,
with
really?
the top, yeah.
Oh,
And it's
that's
a
nice.
really nice material. It's every bit as good as some of the more expensive boat covers that I've gotten. So thus far, I'm pretty pleased.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
What key point?
Yes.
Prior to bringing this bad boy on the trails,
Yes.
we'll be taking Vinny and removing all branches that we used to just with Slim, which was the Honda UTV. We would just plow through, not plowing through with the soft top.
Right,
So we'll
because it
remove all
won't-
that.
yeah, okay.
Yeah. So that's our project for this morning.
All right.
How's that look over there?
So as Steve is putting this up, we're just trying to make sure that it's, you know, kind of level-ish.
How's that look?
I think that looks pretty good.
Does that look pretty good?
Since it's all Velcroed, we can of course adjust it.
Well, release, because I don't think it should be on tension while it's doing its thing. Cures in 24 hours, they say.